Hello everyone, how are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine. So welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feathercap, and I'm back with the topic seasons. Do you know what are seasons? Seasons मतलब मौसम जो कुछ टाइम बाद चेंज होते रहते हैं, ठीक है? Like right now, winter season is about to start, okay? So which season is going on? I will tell you. Let's study about seasons today. Okay, you know how many seasons are there? There are four seasons. There are four seasons. One is summer, then spring season, rainy season, and winter seasons. Okay, so there are four types of seasons: summer, spring, rainy, and winter. Okay, so what happened in the spring season? In spring season, all the flowers start blooming. Okay, all the flowers start blooming in the summer season. There everywhere there is colorful flowers. There are red flowers, yellow flowers, blue flowers, orange flowers, pink flowers. So all the flowers start blooming everywhere. Okay, and that is called spring season. Okay. Next is the summer season. Next is summer season when sun shines bright in the sky. And what happens? We wear cotton clothes. We wear cotton clothes, and also we do pool party in summer. Do you do? Yes, we do pool party in summer because it is very hot in summer, okay? All the time we're feeling so hot. We need fan, we need coolers, we need ACs, we need refrigerators, we need cold water. So all these things we do in summer, okay? Now the next season is rainy season. Next is rainy season. It happens मतलब जब rain होती है, okay? That rain comes very frequently. बहुत जल्दी जल्दी rains होती है, तब होता है rainy seasons, and that time we use raincoat. We wear raincoat, we use umbrellas, and also we wear gum boots. Okay, gum boots किस लिए होते हैं? हमें पानी से protect करने के लिए. Okay, and umbrellas and raincoats also protect us from the rain, जिससे कि हम गीले ना हो जाएं, जिससे कि हम wet ना हो जाएं. ठीक है? So we use raincoats, umbrella, gum boots in rainy season. And the last one is winter season. This is winter season, जब बहुत ज़्यादा ठंडा होता है, and it is very chilly, very cold. That time is winter, and that time we wear sweaters, woolen clothes. We wear jackets, coats, caps, mufflers, socks, shoes, everything, and gloves we wear in winter season. Okay, that is winter season. मतलब snowfall means very chilly. Okay, so there are four seasons we have studied: spring, summer, rainy, and winter. And do you know, one after the another seasons come. Okay, like पहले rainy spring होता है, then summer, then rainy, and then winter. And you know that these seasons come every year. Every year seasons ऐसे ही change होते रहते हैं. Okay, तो पहले spring होता है, then summer, then rainy, and then winter. Again, next year repeats the same. ऐसे ही every year seasons repeat होते रहते हैं, but there are only 4 seasons. Okay, so this is the cycle of season. It is called cycle. Okay, first, second, third, and fourth. It's a cycle of season which repeats every year. Okay, every year same cycle repeat होती है. All right. Now this is the activity. You must be having some stickers with you, so you can paste the stickers at home with the help of your mother. Like, it is summer season. Okay, summer means sun. And you can add some more stickers, like you can have juice in the summer, or you can do pool party in the summer, or you can wear cotton clothes. So you can add your own stickers and paste it over here. Okay. Next is the rainy season. Matlab rainy, rain. So you can add raincoat, you can add umbrella, or you can add gumboots here. You can paste the stickers here. Next is winter season. You can add some clothes, cap, shoes, or socks. Okay. And the last one is spring season. You can paste the pictures of different blooming flowers here. It will look very beautiful. Okay. This will do. You will do at your home with the help of your mother. Now, I hope you have learned 4 seasons with me today. That is spring season, summer season, rainy season, and the last one is winter season. Okay. Please learn about these 4 seasons and practice it at home. Don't forget it. I will see you in the next class. Till then, happy learning. Bye bye. Take care.